YouTube, welcome to my garage. As of Black Friday 2023, I scored some really good deals, namely a set of Apex VS5 RS wheels. They're forged and I got 15% off, and they're going to be going onto the Porsche Boxster. So I want to show you what they are. And first of all, welcome to my channel. I talk about all things cars and wheels and things that are fast. And I do a lot of mechanical work, I do paint and repairs, I do electronics work. So I hope to show you more of that. But today we're going to do an unboxing of these wheels. Alright, here we have the 981 Boxster S. This is the original suspension, the Sport Suspension X73 from Porsche. I had an alignment done with 2 degrees of camber. You can see that there's a huge gap here, right? And this is even worse in the back. So if you compare it to the Miata, this Miata has a good flush fitment. It looks a lot more sporty and it looks a lot more aggressive. And we can see that it just flows very well with the lines of the car. And that's what we're trying to achieve here with buying the wheel. I'm going to show you what the wheels look like, and the new wheels are an inch thicker, so it should bring the wheels out a little bit more, and has more, also has more offset, so it brings out the wheels to be flush. I'll show another video after the install to show you guys the fitment afterwards. Alright, let's open the box and see what's inside. But I'm also going to be weighing it so we can see how much weight savings we may potentially get. Alright, so this just came out of the shipping from UPS, and it's crazy that I received it in just one day. Ordered it on Monday and arrived on Tuesday. It's pretty well packaged. I'm probably going to be fast forwarding some of this. Wow, it's a beauty. They also have a nice foam around it. There are 2 wheels in here. Oh, wow, it's really light. Has a nice Apex logo. And these are the Motorsport Gold color. Wow, look at this. I've always wanted gold wheels, and finally they have arrived. It actually looks very much silver, but with a hint of gold. All right, let's get these on the scale and see how much they weigh. I know that the original wheels from Porsche came in at something around 26 pounds. These are 10.5, by the way, so these are the rear of the car. Let's see how much they weigh. Wow, 18.8 pounds, which is very, very light. So that's about 6 pounds lighter than the original. Let's get them next to the car and see what it might look like. I think it's a pretty good fit, yeah? Pretty good color scheme between the gold and then the gray on the car body. The next steps for this set of wheels is I'm going to be doing a ceramic coat on it. I'm going to be doing it myself, and that's going to be coming in the next video. And then afterwards I'm going to be installing the tires, and then we're going to see how it fits and how it compares with the existing wheels. Alright, thanks, and that's it. Catch you on the next one.